What's the meaning of card? Card. Card.
Card. Card. The term card can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a physical object made of paper or plastic used for identification, payment, or gaming purposes. It can also refer to a digital representation of information displayed on a computer screen or mobile device. In computer programming, a card may refer to a unit of data processing similar to a punch card used in earlier computing systems. Additionally, the term card can be used informally to describe something that is impressive or noteworthy.